I've just completed this Black Forest gateau and I just wanted to share it with you. So I've got interesting things to share on the blog and make sure that you don't ever feel that you miss out on your gluten-free diet. I do push myself to do things that I wouldn't always make. This was really easy to put together. It took a bit of time, but there was nothing complicated about it. And it just proves that even with dietary needs, you can still enjoy so many things. I'd love you to check the recipe out, but more so I'd love you to be able to make it so you don't miss out on anything. And thanks as always for watching and checking out my posts.